Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to sell options on Etrade. Open your Etrade account and fund it sufficiently, then enable options trading by completing the approval questionnaire. Navigate to the options chain for your chosen underlying, pick the strike and expiration, and choose sell to open for the contract you want. Confirm order details, review required margin and buying power, then submit the order and monitor positions actively for adjustments. In this video, I will show how to sell options on Etrade. Start by locating the options chain for your symbol, then filter expirations and strike intervals that match your plan. Click the bid for a sell order, set the number of contracts and order type, and decide limit versus market pricing. Check estimated proceeds and margin impact, then preview and submit. After execution, track Greeks and set alerts for adjustments. In this video, I will show how to sell options on Etrade. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long trading sessions with the Owala water bottle, a leak-proof, easy-carry bottle that keeps you focused between trades. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to sell options on Etrade. Begin by defining risk limits and consider using vertical spreads to cap potential loss when you lack margin for naked positions. Size positions so one loss does not jeopardize your account, and use stop orders or contingent orders to automate risk control. Watch implied volatility and theta, and adjust or roll positions if market conditions change to preserve capital and profits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.